Hi, I'm Tali from Resin8 and I'm going to show you how to make a stunning but simple bookmark using Resin8's 1:1 resin, some alcohol inks and a bookmark mould. Petri art combines resin with alcohol inks to create 3D splashes of colour with unpredictable results. These bookmarks make the perfect present for bookworms and are brilliant teacher gifts. For this keepsake, I'm using a range of brightly coloured pinata alcohol inks as well as the rich gold ink for a bit of shimmer. It's essential to include the Blanco white ink to get the proper Petri effect. Start by measuring up about 15 millilitres of 1:1 resin and the same amount of hardener. Once it's thoroughly mixed, pour it into your bookmark mould. Give your white alcohol ink bottle a good shake, then disperse a few drops into the mould. Fill in the white blobs with different coloured alcohol inks, then add a drop of white to each coloured blob. Finish by adding a different colour to the centre of the inner white blob. To create interesting lacing effects, add a few drops of Resiblast to your work and watch the colours separate further. Finally, give the gold ink bottle a really good shake before adding a few drops to the mould. This will give it a glorious shimmer. Now comes the hard bit. You have to wait 24 hours for your resin to set before popping it out of the mould. Don't be alarmed that the Resiblast has given it a sticky residue on top. That's absolutely normal. Just give it a quick clean with a baby wipe and it will be absolutely fine. Petri art bookmarks are super fun and simple and you never quite know what you're going to end up with.